Okay, so after you create the store, the next point of action will be to activate your store so that you can be able to access the merchant site where you can add products and all that. So the first thing is to select the store name. So you'll have to include the name of your store. So let's say basically it's the name of the shop that is. Let's say let's use that as our store name. So then you'll also have to include the logo of your shop. So for example, if you have a specific logo and the other going to be the one that is visible, so you will include the logo of your shop there. So you can count the logo. So let me just start the logo once again. So you click on the logo of the shop. And then the other point of action is to add the background of the shop. So you add the background. Okay. Then to add in the background, so we'll need to also include a small description about the shop. So, and then the other point of action is to also include the currency that will be the best currency of your store. So that is the currency that you'll be using. But then you create the store and that is now you have access to the other materials. But on this side, now you can actually do more on this store that is like adding products and also creating a more better design for your store. Thank you.